Now the question before us is, a die is numbered in such a way that its faces show the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. It is thrown 2 times and the total score in 2 throws is noted. Complete the following table which gives a few values of the total score on the 2 throws. First of all, we must understand the meaning of die. It is this object which we use in games. Die is the singular word dice. If there is only one single piece, it is known as die, whereas if there are more than one pieces of this, it is known as dice. So there is no difference between die or dice. So now here it is given that dice or die has the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. Normally the dice has these types of appearances on its face which range from 1 to 6. But here in this dice, the numbers have been changed. Normally it may be written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here the numbers have been changed. Now this dice is thrown 2 times and the total score in 2 throws is noted. How it is noted? We understand it from the table. Suppose it is thrown first time, it comes 1. Then it is thrown second time, it comes 1. So the total of 2, 1 plus 1 has been given. Suppose here die is thrown once, it comes 2. And the die is thrown for the second time, it comes 1. So here the total of these two. In the same way, if the die is thrown for the first time, the outcome comes 3. And if it is thrown for the second time, it comes 1. And the total of 2 is given. So in this way, we are to complete the table. Here, these 2 rows are complete. We are to complete the next. So 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 6, 8, 3. We have to add 3. 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 9. 3 plus 1. Here we have to add 3 to all these. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. Here the table has been completed. Now we will proceed further. What is the probability that the total score is even? We have now completed this table and shown it in full form. What is the probability that the total score is even? Now, first of all, we must understand what is the meaning of even. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Completely divisible. The last digit of an even number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Last digit of the even number may be any one of these 5. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Even numbers are those which are completely divisible by 2. Now we can calculate the probability of getting an even number. So first of all, we will find out the number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes means those numbers which are even. We will find out the even numbers. 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 4, 4, 8, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9 is not a even number. 4, 5, 5 not an even number. 6, 6, 9 not, 7 is not an even number. 8, 8 and 12. We calculate the even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. No. We again calculate, there seems to be some mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are 18. So the number of favorable outcomes are 18, where there are even numbers, and this is to be divided by the total total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes are here, these are 6, and it has been multiplied 6 times. So 6 into 6, 36. You can also count the same. These are 6 and there are 6 rows. 6 into 6, these are the total number of possible outcomes. So here the probability of getting an even number is, total score is even. Probability of total score is even is 1 over 2. This is the answer, that the total score is even. Out of the 2 throws, the total score is even. Next is, what is the probability that the total score is 6? We find out the same. 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 8. Here we have to find out only where the total score out of these 2 throws is 6. 3, 5, 5, 8, 4, 5, 5, 6. This is 6. This is 6. 9, 4, 5, 5, 6. Here it is 6. So the probability that total score is 6 is number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes here are 4 out of the total number of possible outcomes. Here the answer is 1 over 9. It is the answer of the second part of the question. Now, what is the probability that the total score is at least 6? What is the meaning of at least 6? At least 6 means equal to or greater than 6. That the item or the total score must be 6 or more than 6. At least 6. Equal to 6 or more than 6. So here the probability total score is at least 6 is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes we will find out. We are not to count this because first line, not to count this because these are the only for which are appearing on the die. These are those numbers which were appearing on the dice. So we will start from here. Total score is at least 6. Here it is the first. Here it is more than 6. It is also more than 6. It is more than 6. 4, 5, 5. Is it equal to 6? 6, 9, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 7, 8. All these are more than 6 or equal to 6. More than 6. These are all. So how many numbers are equal to or more than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is the 15. So the probability that the total score is equal to or more than 6 is equal to 15. Here we will mention the number of possible outcomes, it is to be divided by the total possible outcomes, which is 36. Here we can divide it by 3, 5/12. This is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.